Why you should listen. Hi everyone, welcome back to English Practice Today. Today, we'll discuss why it's essential to listen carefully when learning a new language. Let's get started. 1. Identify objects around you in English. To stop translating in your head, start identifying objects around you in English. For instance, if you see a chair, think chair instead of translating from your native language. Make it a habit to think in your target language by associating everyday items with their English names. 2. Repeat phrases used by native speakers. When you hear native speakers, try to mimic their phrases. Whether you're watching a TV show or listening to this channel, repeating what you hear helps improve your pronunciation and fluency. If you're shy, practice in private spaces where you feel comfortable. 3. Immerse yourself in English. Create an environment where you have no choice but to use English. While it may be tough to move to an English-speaking country, you can immerse yourself at home by engaging in activities that require English only. This could be as simple as setting aside an hour a day where you only think and communicate in English. 4. Watch TV and movies in English without subtitles. Watching movies and TV shows in English without subtitles forces you to focus on the language. You can also turn on closed captions in English to reinforce what you hear. This practice will help you pick up on nuances and natural speech patterns. 5. Avoid using a dictionary. During conversations, resist the urge to use a dictionary when practicing conversation. Instead, describe the word you're looking for and let your partner help you. This not only keeps the conversation flowing, but also helps you learn and retain new vocabulary more effectively. 6. Train responses to common questions. Prepare responses to common questions like, "How are you?" To avoid hesitation, have a few default answers ready such as, "I'm good" or "not bad," so you can respond quickly and naturally. 7. Study with materials that don't provide translations. Use study materials that are entirely in your target language. While translations can be helpful, studying in English helps you think in English, which is crucial for fluency. Simplified explanations in your target language can also be very beneficial. 8. Learn phrases, not just vocabulary. Instead of focusing solely on individual words, study how they are used in phrases. This gives you a better understanding of their meaning and context. For example, the word crazy can have different meanings depending on the phrase it's used in. 9. Do your daily activities in English. Try doing everyday activities like cooking or planning your day in English. This practice helps you discover gaps in your vocabulary and reinforces what you've learned. 10. Use a learner's dictionary. When encountering new words, use a learner's dictionary in English. These dictionaries provide simple definitions in English, helping you understand the word without relying on translations. These 10 tips can help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. With consistent practice, you'll find it easier to engage with the language naturally. If you've tried any of these strategies or have other tips, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching English Practice Today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!